Hi guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you what to do when your PIN isn't accepted in your OPPO Find X9. This fix is able to fix your phone either when you have forgotten your PIN or it's just not accepted. And the only way is when you don't want to lose your data is to go to the brand service center certified or the authorized one with the proof of purchase and tell them that you lost your access to your phone and you want to gain it back again, but you have forgotten the PIN code, passcode. And actually they should do something about it, or would you have one fix. Of course, if you had the fingerprint in this phone, you can use your fingerprint, but here, as I can see, we have one required after password is required after phone restarts. So if you aren't prompted to give your passcode, you can use your biometrics and go to settings and scroll down to the security and privacy over here, tap device and lock, here tap screen lock, and here, as I can see, we have enter screen password. So yeah, unfortunately we can't do this here. But if we go back and here back again and scroll down to the system and update, here tap on the backup and reset phone and reset all settings. Here we are prompted to enter the lock screen password again. So the only way now to fix our phone is to power it completely off. So click power and volume up and power off your phone. Of course, this method is with the data loss. Of course, if you want to use it your phone with the fingerprint, there's no such need to reset your phone. But yeah, you don't really have the passcode and we can't do anything about it. So now hold the volume down button and power until you see the OPPO logo on the screen. Now hold only the volume down logo. Volume down button. Hold it until you see the foreign language appearing on the screen. Now, here, as you can see, we are in the recovery mode. Click down, the volume down button, click power to confirm your language, and here click the power to click format data. Here, as I can see, we have verification code 2917. Rewrite it over here, and then you will have your phone completely formatted. But if you have your phone formatted, you have to remember that you have to set up your phone back again, and you will lose all your data. And remember that there is something in your Android phone called like Google FRP, and this is a limit to the access to your phone when somebody steals your phone and want to gain access to this phone by resetting it. You have to remember your Google password and log in to your Google account that was previously added to this phone. And actually that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.